guys, look what I got for today. It's a Jerusalem artichoke. I harvested from my family farm a few days ago. It's called 돼지감자 in Korea, meaning a pig potato. It's bumpy on the surface and looks ugly, so that's why people call it. And there is various ways to take this, but I'll choose to make this as a kimchi. First step is to peel off the skin of Jerusalem artichoke. I used the potato peeler because it is faster than using a spoon. However, you can cut yourself, so make sure to use the cut-resistant gloves. I've almost cut myself last time. This is the trickiest part of making kimchi. It took me more than 30 minutes to finish up. If you want to find something to kill your time, you should try this out. Wash them with running water and cut them into bites. It is very white inside. Then transfer them to a bowl and put salt, anchovy sauce, and salted shrimp. The anchovy sauce and salted shrimp is called 멸치액젓 and 새우젓 respectively in Korean. You can find that in a Korean market. And mix them thoroughly using a hand. Then add a sugar, garlic, and chili powder. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button below and get more interesting recipes. Mix them all together until everything's combined. Now it is almost done, and slice the scallion into 4 cm wide. And put them inside a bowl with the Jerusalem artichoke kimchi. Mix them all together using hand and transfer them to an airtight container. You can eat this right away, but it tastes better from the next day. So I decided to wait for overnight. I'm gonna keep this in the fridge. On the very next day, I make ramen to eat this with a brand new kimchi. I'm very excited because it is the moment of unwrapping a gift. Put kimchi on the ramen and it goes straight into my mouth. It tastes like a radish kimchi, but it is a little crunchier. It goes perfectly with a ramen and I absolutely love it. If you don't know what to do with a Jerusalem artichoke, try this at home and let me know in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Bye bye!